What's up, fam? It's your boy Jay Will, and I want to personally thank you for taking the time out to fill out the information. Your 10 free beats should be coming to you at any moment now. But first, I want to take this opportunity to advise you about a deal that I have going on. With this deal is better than any other deal I've ever done before. As a matter of fact, I'm only going to allow 10 people to take advantage of this deal because this deal is so good. So what you're going to get with this deal is, first, you're going to get 20 beats produced by me. No tags, no anything. It's straight produced by me. None of my tags are going to be on there. And it's all yours. You feel me? Also, you're going to receive the MP3 and the wave sound as well. And you're going to receive all stemmed out, tracked out files. You feel me? And also, I'm going to give you an unlimited license. That way you can sell your beats unlimitedly, and you can also have streams unlimitedly as well. You know, this package usually goes for about $99 for each beat, but I'm giving it to you all for one low price today. And on top of that, I'm gonna give you a free bonus. I'm gonna add 10 additional beats and hooks that were personally made by a Grammy award winning artist, you feel me, by Anno Domini and Legion Beats. If you don't know them, man, you need to go check your facts, you feel me? Also, I'm going to give you 75% off any license or exclusive beats for life. You feel me? That's one reason I'm only giving it to 10 people. I can't afford the whole world getting 75% off my beats for an entire lifespan, you feel me? I just think that's kind of funny and behooves them. But also, I'm going to give you another free bonus. I'm going to give you a shout out on my Instagram page. And I'm also going to post your video to my Instagram page of your song that you made with my beats, you feel me? And also, for the final bonus, this is the kicker right here. I'm going to give you my entire list of A&R directors so that you can submit your song to them. You feel me? So they're constantly looking for talent each and every day. And just imagine if you can get a reply back saying that your song is dope. I want to bring you into the office. How fast can you make it out to Los Angeles, New York, or Atlanta? You feel me? But overall, it's only 10 spots available, and you need to go ahead and take advantage of this now. Now remember, I'm only giving you 30 minutes to sign up, and then that opportunity is closed for you. If you can sign up within 30 minutes, you can take advantage of the deal today. Now the final price for this is only $27. $27, that's the most affordable thing I could possibly think of. $27 could be the difference between you beginning your career and ending your career. So you need to go ahead, hit that button below today so we can take advantage of this and get some money, you feel me? It's Jay Will, and I'm out.